So probably the biggest challenge, I mentioned the persistent training environment. There really is a need for a consistent training against a realistic simulated adversary for our folks. If you don't have that, their skills are going to atrophy. And it needs to keep up with their skills as they evolve, because we know that the threat is evolving. So that would be the second challenge, is really understanding the threat, making sure that we're adapting along with it and we're innovating ahead of it. A slight nuance to that, too, would also be for the industry partners, what is it that the teams will see in the environment that they work in? So if we do an incident response to a particular DoD organization and we bump into Palo Alto or Tanium, are we familiar with that product? Do we know how it works? Do we know how to leverage it in order to do our incident response? And then lastly, and this really goes to the heart of it, is the workforce. There is a competition for the talent, being the military, the civilians, or our contractors. And we do have a few of those. So we do have to think about that. We don't have the same levers that industry might have to incentivize them. So hopefully they find our work exciting and worth pursuing, and that is a challenge that we face.
It's certainly a no